Can you tell me what these shots have in common? I'm wasting my precious time. That's why I created the Micro Adventure series, where we go out camping to hopefully inspire others to do the same. But before we can do that, we need to get rid of these seats. That should be plenty of space inside. Now we just need mattresses and something to eat. Should be enough. Let's hop in the car and get to a camping spot. I selected the camping spot that's 15 minutes from home, so hopefully we get a nice water view. It looks a little bit creepy here, and we may run into a dead end. I'm definitely not going there with our car. We're probably getting stuck there. So Google Maps is definitely tricking us here. We just arrived at our campsite for tonight, and doesn't that look beautiful? Pretty nice view here with the river. That's perfect, and our car's like literally 20 meters behind me. Well, I forgot to put the armrest on the rod. This chair is so hard to put together. This just took me 5 minutes. The fuck? My phone just called emergency service. I think the button was pressed inside the chair. Let's have a quick look at what our campsite actually looks like. That looks pretty cool from above. Nice. Right. And that's the inside of our camper for tonight. So we got a small light. I'm gonna put up the light. Now we're gonna test it with the power bank. And if I press this button, the light should turn on. Looks pretty cozy to me. After rewatching some drone footage, I saw something pretty interesting just behind these trees over there. It kind of looked like really big dirt mountains. Yeah, I can see a little bit in the distance. We have to be careful because here's everything full of water. Whoa, I think we made it through here. Here we are. These are like actual roads in the middle of the forest. That works. Oh, it doesn't. We are on a motocross track just in the middle of the forest. These are like super big jumps here. I just thought let's walk through there. And now my feet are definitely wet. Guess who doesn't have like any spare socks, any spare shoes? This jump is pretty big. That's enough exploring for now. It's getting a bit cold, so let's go back to the car and get some food going. Oh fuck, I just got stung by these plants. My knee definitely got stung. It's so nice to go out, even if it's like 50 minutes from your home, but now I got everything that we need to cook some amazing food. The chair just fell down. It's getting a bit windy outside. Maybe we get some rain tonight, but let's do some 5-star meal first and then we see how the weather is going. We just met a little friend. He's staying with us. I actually forgot my knife. I need to get rid of this cap on top of the gas bottle. Hey, this chair is just super annoying. And I got it. So for today's dinner, we're actually doing some noodle soup. 750 milliliter cooking water. This chair just annoys me. And then we have to let it cook for 8 minutes, so let's wait till the water is boiling. It's beginning to steam. Tastes amazing. And with that, the soup should be ready. Smells amazing. That was super dumb. Now I have a pot full of noodles and I have a plate full of salt. My spoon just fell inside. We have our spoon bag. I finished all my noodles. They were amazing. And now I just want to talk to you for a second. Why am I doing these tiny micro adventures? Sitting at home, watching like Netflix and stuff like this is just boring. That's why I just wanted to get out. Sit in nature, relax and just calm down. And I just want to encourage you to do the same. Watch shit like this. It's amazing. There are so many nice things that you can see only by going out that you don't see if you're staying in your house. This is your sign to go out as well. Take your car, take a mattress, take a gas cooker and just enjoy Mother Nature and relax. That's the only thing. It's getting darker now, so let's head back to the car because today is movie night. And to start this, let's get our lights going. Perfect. This looks amazing. So let's get undressed. This is pretty cozy. The lights are running on our power bank. We're ready for a movie, but I got a little surprise. We got some pretzels. Isn't this amazing? I literally just noticed that I haven't installed the Netflix app on my phone. Then we have to watch YouTube instead. Our movie night is over and now it's time to brush our teeth. It's 11 o'clock and right now going into the water the last time. Super creepy out here. I can't see anything. Now it's time to go to bed, and for that gonna turn off the lights. Good night, and we see us tomorrow. Good morning. I slept really good. It was a little bit cold in the night, so I had to get some socks on. And the rain started to come through the window I left open. Apart from this, I slept really good. Let's start a little challenge. Can I cook myself a tea without leaving the car? And yes, I had to leave the car to set up the camera, but let's forget about that. We have a cup and some tea inside. We need some water. The tea is going, and now we just have to wait, I guess. Our nice cup of warm tea is finally done. I'm so glad that we did this trip. It was so nice. Even if we're just 15 minutes away from home, it just feels like we are at vacation. So with that, I would call our micro-adventure done. So let's pack up our stuff and head back home from our tiny micro-adventure episode 1. If you liked this episode, please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and write me in the comments what I should do next time. So see you then. Bye.